Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing okay today. I'm going to be playing around with some new makeup bits because I am sick and tired of being in isolation now. I know I moan every single time, but hey ho. So I want to play with Blue Blood, so I thought I would play around with some other new bits that I got recently. So I'm going to kick it off with the Blue Blood. I'm so excited. I haven't even swatched this yet, so let the fun begin. So, gonna jump straight into the video basically. As you can see, I've already done my foundation. I used the Jeffree Star Cosmetics concealer, and I don't know what I think of it. I feel like I've used others that are better, like the Morphe one, the Morphe Fluidity, and even the uh, Revolution, Makeup Revolution one they've brought out. But I don't know. Maybe I need to give it another try for a few times. So, Blue Blood. Now, I want to do a soft look, if I can open it. So, I'm going to focus on the pastel colours. So, this is Mint Tea. Ooh. I'm Cold. That's nice. Blue Blood. Got to be using Blue Blood. So that's a three. I'm going to swatch them. I think that was on Cold. That's a bit pale. So I don't know whether to use that as a blending one. So, they're not that chalky. They're a bit chalky, but they're not clumpy chalky, if you know what I mean. So, I'm just going to get a brush. And first, I'm going to take mint tea and just make a shape on my eye. So I've gone in with that. Strangely, I'm looking at the screen and I'm looking in the mirror and it looks like two different colours. So now I'm going to take Blue Blood, which is that one. Oh, the colours seem to be weird. This is the first full video I'm doing on my new phone, so that is just, the colour seems a bit off. I still need to play around with it. So, Blue Blood. So that is that one. The colour seems really off, so not too sure if this video will see the light of YouTube because I might have to play around with the features to see if I can change the resolution or whatever it's called. So I'm going to take a bit of Flourishing, which is like a turquoise colour, and darken up the outer edges. I'm liking that. Yeah, that's coming along quite nicely. So, before we carry on, I am going to get another fluffy brush, go back in with the first colour, which was Mint Tea, and blend out the tops. Perfecto. Now, I'm going to take I'm Cold and go underneath the lid. No, I'm not. I'm going to take, don't know. So, I'm going to start it off with I'm Cold on the inner corners. So I've changed my mind and I've gone with Blue Blood, which is a slightly darker colour. And actually, I'm going to do Blue Blood under the whole eye. Oh, I'm liking that. So, what do I want to do now? I'm going to take Cullinan, which is a shimmery ice white with a blue tint, and going on to the inner corners. Ooh, that is showing up really good. And now, for the final shimmer, I really want to use Ocean Ice, which is that one, but I don't know if that's too dark. Maybe if I use Icy Tray, which is that one, and then tap a bit of Ocean Ice into the centre. I'm going to try that. So Ocean Ice, no, Ocean Tray, no, Ice Tray. Yeah, I need a better mirror. So I'm liking that now. Do I put a bit of Icy Blue? Is it called Icy Blue? Ocean Ice into the centre. Right, I'm going to take a bit of Ocean Ice into the centre. I am nervous, people. That's it. So I'm done with the eyes. I'm just going to go in with mascara now. And I actually bought a new mascara the other day from Lidl. This was £2.39, I believe. And really the colour on this screen is really off. That's like neon yellow and it's not really that bright. Anyway, £2 something, and it came with a eyeliner as well. So I'm going to give this a go to see what it's like. It's a typical spoolie, but one thing. So mascara's done, and I'm liking it. Definitely worth the £2 odd. So now I'm going to go in with a blusher. No, I'm not. I'm going to go in with a bronzer. I haven't got a new one, so I'm just going to take my typical duo, which is the Primark one, and my Chocolate Heart from Revolution. Now for highlighter, I am going to take my Platinum Ice Palette from Jeffree Star Cosmetics. And which one do I want to use? I want to try Lavender Snow, which is a purple one. And I know this is blue, but I like to mix it up now and then. Mwah, perfect. Just do a bit up there, just for the fun of it. Bit on my nose. Perfecto, perfecto. I'm going crazy now. So, only thing that's left is lips and shock horror. It's not Jeffree Star Cosmetics I'm going to use. Where'd it go? Got it. I'm going to try this Stella one. This is a Stella Shine Forever. No, Stella Forever. No. Shine Forever in Victory Lap. I've been waiting like for ages to try this. Oh, tickly nose. So that's what it looks like. It's like a grey colour. It's like a gloss. Well, I think it is a gloss. So, oh, you know what that smells like? That's taking me back to like childhood sweets. I am loving that. It's a gloss, but it doesn't seem to be moving. There's no spider webs like I like, you know, like the stickiness. And like even not what the colour isn't actually coming off. This is a fantastic formula. I am liking that. I can't believe the colour isn't actually coming off. So I'm just going to go in with a setting spray. So, what do you think? I feel like the colours have adjusted now. The whole face is together, but at the start, I felt like the colours was off. I may still be wrong, and the colours still may be off, but I won't know until I actually go back and edit it. So, I am loving this lip. Has really shocked me. I really want to get more colours in that. But yes, that was me playing around with makeup. Absolutely love that palette. The blue on my eyes is fantastic. Who else likes it? It's great. Oh yes. So yes, that was the video. Nothing else to say really. Thank you for watching. If you've watched to the end, then I muchly appreciate it. Comment down below any of your favourite bits, or if you want to say hi or whatever, feel free. Give me a big thumbs up, and I shall see you in the next video. So it's goodbye from me, Matt. Goodbye from Rainbow Soul, and stay sassy.